Alright, I said I'd do another video of the free parts we have here available. And if any of these parts look familiar to you, just let me know. This right here is a tail port for a T-Rex 600. Got all kind of blade grips. Your helicopter might look like something in this here pile. You might need a certain particular part that you can't find anywhere else. And this time around we're having everybody pay their own shipping, because the last time that we gave away free parts to people, good old WC paid the shipping, and 3 of those members decided to unsubscribe from my channel and ignore me because of some other racist people. So I hate to use that word, even get involved in that. But anyway, anything here is yours if you want to spend me $2 or $3 to have it shipped to you. You got ton of Walkera blades here. I mean, just a ton. If somebody got one of these, you got the little chargers. Like I forgot what this is called already. Fly bar rods. Now here are the E-Flight blades I was telling my friend about. They look like they'll fit your helicopter. We have some linkages here. Blades, these are carbon. These are tail motors. A couple of them in there brand new. And then we got this Hurricane helicopter, if anybody can afford to put this together. It's really expensive, a little bit out of my budget right now. And Gabe, man, here's the head unit that I have. I'm not sure if that the head's any good, but the grips and the dampers are pretty nice. Got a 450 swash plate. Somebody wanted a gyro. I'm gonna keep that Exceed gyro, man. I love those Exceed gyros. And then next, here's the skids we have. And you got you some nice Heli-Freak canopies there. Or canopies with Heli-Freak decals on. And then we still have this here stuff in this box, some more head units. I don't think that's in the line. And anyway, if anything looks familiar to you in there, you just let me know if you guys see anything else in there you like. It's yours. And I have a PayPal for your shipping. Some of these guys from Lefty, I have a couple of dollars. I'll be able to still help you out and pay your shipping. If you're really in a worse situation than mine, we'll take care of you. Thanks for watching. WC Wicked Clown Ball Productions. Oh yeah. Take care, peace, love, safe flying.